Okay, reference to research showing the beneficial effects of oxytocin on people. So what is this answer? Are you found this?
The answer 14 is, I think it would be A. Okay.
But why?
Because we can see there they discovered that it helps reinforce the bonds between fiery balls, which is made for life and triggers the motherly behaviors that shift now towards their newborn lives. It also released by women in childbirth, strengthening the attachment between mother and baby. Free chemicals have positive reputation as oxytocins. Have you found it? Positive effect, positive reputations.
Yes. This situated line number 7.
Yes. And then reason why the effect of oxytocin are complex. I think the answer would be D. For 15.
Why? Why?
Because another discovery oxytocin effect vary depending on who we are interacting with. Study vary depending on who we are interacting with, and is showing that it is complex.
What is that line?
First line. D faster. Another discovery is that oxytocin effect vary depending on who we are interacting with. Here,
Okay. So DA. Okay. Then another question is mention of a period in which oxytocin attracted little scientific attention.
without scientific attentions. Okay. Actually, Nahid, when we solve these types of problems, we have to search two answers, not for single answers. Okay, not for single answer. We have to take two questions. That it would be easy for us. Only searching one answer, actually, it is not wise or a good method. We have to search two answers because it is time consuming.
Two answers. If this possible, three or four answers also. It just depends on your brain, I think.
Yeah, we have to take at least two answers. two
At least,
questions to
at
find out.
least two answers, but whose brain is sharp, they get four types of questions,
Yes.
and
Yeah. I think it would be answer A, Nahid, if I am not wrong.
A,
Because in the past,
A.
yeah, because scientists at that time on that scientific past became ever. Past became ever. Means
Yes.
that before it there is no scientific research. And it shows that at that time there is a little scientific research. Okay. And refers to people ignoring certain aspect of their research data.
I think 14 answer is C.
How have you find it?
Jennifer Bards from mounts as people's ability to read emotions, but only if they are York. It's called people's.
Ignoring our keyword is ignoring certain aspect. We have to find out this. Peoples is not our keywords because peoples we find in every paragraph, but ignoring certain aspect, we have to find out this these keywords.
Brother Hasan, we show the answer sheet, then we found it. 14 answer is B, 15 answer is F, and 16 answer is B.
Totally wrong. Whatever we have said.
Actually, it doesn't matter. We are practicing again and again. Then we are experience it. So this is not fact, man. You we don't notice.
Actually, we should see why this answer is not matching. Okay.
I don't know. You see that? You see that?
Yeah, Nahi, have you time? I think your time is limited. I think it is going to be end. So I will see at my home, inshallah, and I will clarify, and you also clarify tomorrow why our answer is not correct. Okay.
Okay. So our next with this part, our next homework is
We will
also
start from tomorrow.
passage number 3. Okay, Hasan, our new homework
Yeah.
is passage number 3.
Yes.
Okay, passage number 3. Then this is our reading part. Reading part is passage number 3, which is
Yes.
46 page. Okay, so speaking part is part 3.
Yes. There is no part three, bro. We have to go three, test three, tax one.
Test 2, man. Test 2 part 3. Task 3.
Task already finished. There is in speaking parts, there is a two parts.
Speaking part is 3 part, man.
Okay. Then we will have task three tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. So yeah, writing task. Actually, we don't complete this because the problem is our in short our time. So in another day we take this is previous study. We continue this previous study. Okay, previous homework. Okay.
Yeah.
So Assalamualaikum. End of this session.
Well,
because I haven't a time now to now. So please, Assalamualaikum. Okay.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Have a good time.
Okay.
See you.